Hey everyone, Mixer Dude here, and today in this video, I'm going to be going over the new features of Willow OS 8. Yep, that's right, it's finally been released, and there's lots of new changes and overhauls in Willow OS 8. So some stuff's actually completely changed the OS. So why don't we get started, shall we? We're going to go over all the new features and new apps too. Before we get started, of course, don't forget to check out my website. And as well, I always plug this, join my Discord. Scan it. Come on. Alright, let's go. First new feature of Willow OS 8, the Big Dark Theme Overhaul. The Big Dark Theme Overhaul is a big overhaul of Willow OS, making almost every app, not all of them, I think there's like one or two apps that are not, but they're not very much, that are all dark theme now. So, it's like, for example, a File Explorer app is dark theme. If this cleanup app is now dark theme. This new app is also dark theme. Pretty cool, eh? So yeah, everything is pretty much dark theme now, including, spoiler alert, the new out-of-box experience. Ooh, all right. Oh, and why not release Willow OS 8 normally? Huh? How about that? Willow OS 8. Alright, let's move on to the next feature. Willow OS has transparency now. Not on like the most of the apps and stuff, but on like the borders and some alert stuff like this has transparency now. The new out-of-box experience also has transparency. We want to make Willow OS looking good and sharp as possible, and this is our way of doing it. Some apps do not have transparency. Those apps really don't support it, and we believe those apps won't look good with transparency. We want to give the best experience possible to Willow OS users, and this is our way of doing it. Best looks, best OS. Let's move on to the next feature. We want to be flexible with our users. So that's why we created a Willow OS Archives website, so you can get any Willow OS version you want. This website is not finished yet, and it will be coming soon. However, once it is finished, it's going to be good because if you like Willow OS 7 better, you can go back to that. If you like Willow OS 6 better, you can go back to that. It is currently in development and will be released soon. Our OOBE, or out-of-box experience, is the first experience when a user installs Willow OS or installs it or sets it up on a new laptop or computer. We want to give that experience a clean look, so we can give our OS a fresh, clean look. We have new themes, including the whole dark theme thing on our OOB, or out-of-box experience. We have no borders, and the whole thing is just transparent to make it look very nice. Plus, we also have sunset and sunrise on some of the first out-of-box experience screens, and the few last ones too. We also have a new product key system. When you buy Willow OS, by the way, this portion is not real, don't worry, you don't have to buy it. It will just automatically save your IP address, and then once you install Willow OS and connect it to the network, which you can do in a previous screen, it will automatically grab it from that IP address, so you won't have to manually enter it. We believe this will be very easy and convenient for users, much easier than before. And plus, it looks very nice too. Welcome to Willow OS Writer, where you can create documents and write them in text with different fonts and sizes at ease. It's built into Willow OS, so you won't have to install anything, and it's very easy to set up. Plus, it looks very nice with the new dark theme. It's actually more integrated with our dark theme because of the new border style on some windows, including Willow OS Writer. Not only can you edit text with these, you can also view it at ease too. There's a convenient back button for when you want to go back to the main menu. You can either save it or unsave it. You can't actually save it, by the way. Some portions are not real. This text editor, Willow OS Writer, is very easy to use, along with the rest of the OS. Introducing Willow OS Contacts. This app lets you contact with people very easily. You can also email, text, coming soon, call, coming soon, and email them at ease. From all from the contact screen. You can also subscribe to bot users, where they can update you on certain services such as Willow itself. Willow itself has a bot user, which you can subscribe to. This app is subscribed to you by default for Willow. So Willow will be coming in your updates. You can unsubscribe at any time. Not really. You can't. This also has something to do with our upcoming text app in Willow OS 9, which is one of our new feature plans for it as well. You can email them too. I'll say Jack. This is our preview of the new text app coming in Willow OS 9. You cannot send messages, though, to this user at Willow, as it is just a bot and it's not an actual user. We believe communication is the next step to making Willow OS friendly to users, and it is coming soon in Willow OS 9. Some features being planned, although these are not all of them, are a brand new background for the desktop to make Willow OS even look more nice. What did I just say? Oh my gosh. Some brand new apps for communication, such as messages, calls, and whatnot. Plus video calls too. We cannot reveal all the apps and stuff coming up for Willow OS 9, but those are just a few. That was Willow OS 8, and I was very excited to share these new features with you to make our users' experience awesome and look good looking so they can enjoy our OS just like I do making them. If you enjoy this OS and want to see more, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Please. I want feedback. I really do. If you have any, leave them down below in the comment section. Do you have any suggestions for Willow OS 9 or 10 even? Suggest them in the comments below. And also, of course, don't forget to join my Discord server. QR code is at the beginning, plus you can also click a link down in the description below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!